Welcome back, friends, to the series of network analysis. Last video we did analysis of accidents. Where would be the closest facility? Which route and which facility will be closest? Which hospital will be closest, right? But now in this scenario, let's imagine that in addition to ambulance service, we can use fire dispatcher. Suppose there is a fire in a place, and in that emergency you have to dispatch fire station, a vehicle from the fire station. So which one will be the closest fire station? How can we find that? So we'll be doing that in this exercise. So first, if you haven't opened, then you can open the close incidents project from the last video and then import the facilities. This time our facilities are fire stations. These are our facilities, right? Click OK and uncheck the append to existing locations. Okay, remember to do this because we want to override those hospitals. Apply. You can ignore this. Then we will be importing the incidents. We'll click here and then incidents. So what are our incidents? Our incidents are fires. So let's import that as well. Apply. That's our incidents. Next, you can choose from here the sublayer, polygon barrier, or instead you can also go here and create a barrier. Suppose there are some construction going on, or there's a festivals in our route, then we need to skip those places. We need to find another route or another fire dispatcher which will be suitable. Suppose those barriers. So how can we import that? If you click here, then you can see there's point barrier option, but instead we'll be using a polygon barrier. And click here, then you can see in the geodatabase we have a festival closures. That's our barrier, right? Click OK. You can ignore this again. Okay, so let's change the symbols of facility. Yeah, we can just make it simple. See, all these are our fire stations, and incidents, these are fires, right? Let's see if we have fire symbol. Okay, we have fire symbols. We'll use this one. Nice. Let's zoom to layer and see. So there's the fire, and here's an obstruction. From which fire station it will be fastest, quickest to dispatch the fire truck? All those stations look close enough, but only after analysis we can find that out. Let's do it then. Go to the closest facility layer. If this contextual menu does not appear, make sure you click here and then it will appear here. Then let's change some settings here. So we want driving time to be the mode for sure, right? And direction, in this time, instead of going towards the facility, we want to send vehicles, dispatch the vehicles away from the facilities. So select direction away from facilities, and we want to dispatch from only one facility, right? So we'll click 1. Cutoffs, under what time do you want it to arrive? Let's set it to 5 minutes, and then let's run it, and let's see which one will be the best, right? So as you can see here, this from this fire department, from this facility, it will be closest, fastest to dispatch and reach the incident. So this is the optimal route. In this way we can find the closest facility. To see the direction, you can click show direction and then see how to navigate to that point as well. In this way we can perform the analysis of closest facility. You can save the file, save the project, and next video we'll be learning more about network analysis. See you then.